I'm gonna show you how I repair holes that are in my pants. They tear easily sometimes, especially if you use heavy starch. And I've been using this brand right here, this King Mountain. It's the iron-on patches, and it's really simple to use. It don't take them about 2 to 3 minutes to fix these holes. As you can see, I just line the holes up, turn your pants inside out. And the reason I use this is this King Mountain because it's 100% cotton. And when you're in the oil and gas field or welders, you got to have 100% cotton or leather whenever you're welding. So the only thing you have to do is take this iron-on patch, just measure your length. You don't have to cut it down the middle, just repair that hole, use the whole piece. I think it's 3 inches wide. So I cut it to size. And then you see this shiny part right here, that part right there has the glue on it, and the denim side doesn't. So that has the glue. So you want the glue face down on the tear. And make sure you get all the wrinkles and anything out. If anybody know how to iron, they know what I'm talking about. So just get the wrinkles out, and you lay this down and get your iron. Make sure your iron is on hot. Don't use no steam. And just press it on. That's all you have to do. So press it on for about a minute or a minute and a half. Make sure all the edges are down, and you can see a little of the glue start coming off to the side. It'll look really clear. So make sure you press it down really good as I fast forward right there. So I ironed it for about a minute, minute and a half. Once you're done that, I'm gonna turn it back to the right side. So I'm gonna fold it, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So after I ironed it on, this is what it looks like. And it don't look bad. You know, that's the style these days. These are ripped up clothing. You see right there, that one, and you see the one below it, I've used a little stitches and things. I use some sewing, but this one here, I just ironed it on. That's all it takes, and you're done.